y'all. Um, I got 2 packages in the mail. I went ahead and opened up the bags they were in because I was hoping that it was the one other that was supposed to come with the purple girl with the skull face makeup. Um, but they're not. So wanted to show them to you. So we're going to call this an unboxing reveal. And these are both from Amazon. And I ordered them February 28th. This one came in yesterday. And then the big one, this one came in today. So I really wasn't feeling um, getting on and recording anything yesterday because me and a dear friend went out of town and ran around and did a whole bunch of stuff, and I was tired. I didn't do any diamond painting last night. Didn't touch it. I was exhausted. So let's look at this one. I kind of know. I think I know what it is. There are 19 colors. Let's see if it'll pick it up. There we go. 19 colors. It is pretty clear. I mean, the symbols are nice and clear. And just from this right here, I think this is the cat that I call Whiskers in my inventory book. I think I named this one Whiskers. It is a 40 by 30. It is a full drill. Yep, this is Whiskers. Isn't it cute? It almost looks like my stink pot. Yes, my cat's name is Squirmy Wormy Stink Pot. Well, the cat that I bottle raised is Squirmy Wormy Stink Pot. So, all right, these are round. So it is a full round basic toolkit. Another green tray. Oh my goodness. Um, so looks good, and obviously if Rowana is correct about the covers, which I will trust her to be, I think she does know exactly what she's talking about. Um, I still learn about this diamond painting stuff every single day, which is why I watch so many videos and so many of the lives. Um, but like she said, from what she says, the clear plastic means that it is a glue adhesive, and the ones that are not clear covers means that is a like double-sided adhesive. Now I don't know what DAC's doing. I know they're changing up things. I like the clear. I don't know what their new adhesive situation is. So this is Whiskers. 19 colors, full round drill, and it is a 40 by 30. So let's open this up and see if I have 19 colors. No DMC numbers. And I do have 19 colors. All the various from black to a couple of different colors of gray. There's a little bit of like almost army green. That is almost an army green. And then some like tan and brown. Kind of a red. I bet that goes on the nose. This red right here, I bet it goes on the nose. See all these tan and browns. Oh, there's some green, which will probably go in the eye. And then you got these bluish colors. Those are probably going to go to the eyes. And you got almost like a rosy mauve, dusty mauve, and a pink, which will probably be in this area right here. So, okay, that one's cute, adorable. Don't know when I'm going to get to it. One day. Gonna retire in about 2.5 more school years. I think I've got it down to like 30 months. So, and then, yeah, I know I'll only be 49 when I retire, so I'll probably, go find something else to do. Okay. Get these back in here. Fight with them a little bit. I don't know if I should even try to get this back in this bag. I'm going to attempt it. I am going to attempt it. Yeah, sometimes if you lay this down and stick that sticky little strip to the table, it'll stay, and then it won't try to stick back to your canvas. This one was packed in here, so this is not going to work. I have a feeling it's not going to work. I don't know how they get these things in these bags. I really don't. And I'm fighting with the strip because I had to pick it up. Come on. Please don't tear, Mr. Bag. Ugh. Really? I can't. I'm trying. I think it tore. There we go. That might work. Yay! I got it. I got it. Yay. Okay, so Whiskers is going in the clothes hamper with all of my other ones that are going to be kind of like stacked up forever for me to do. And then this one. I know it's not my peacock because my peacock was a rhinestone with special shaped gems. So I don't know what this one is, but I know it is not my peacock. So, okay, it is square beads. Oh, nice. Look, they are already in the Ziploc bags, so I don't have to bag this up. I already have bags for them. Yay. Oh, I like this. We'll look at that in a second. Hang on. Okay. So here are the directions, which is interesting because it talks about pressing it down when you're finished. Okay. So get rid of that. I mean, it was just wrapped in this. Okay. So the toolkit is interesting. They gave me 3 things of wax, 3 little squares of wax. These two are stuck together. There we go. And a tray, but this tray is a little bit wider and it has the open spout, but it's still the green tray. They gave me a multi-placer on my pen. I'm going to take that off. I've got a whole stack of these, and I have a whole bunch of the trays, and I take off the multi-placers and put those elsewhere. I've actually been giving some to my students. And they left the tweezers in a bag in the little thing. They didn't even take them out, which is fine. That's cool. So let's see if I can get this open. They seem like nice little tweezers. The other bag didn't even have tweezers in it. So I've never seen it where they send it in the package. That was nice. Okay. Where's that little, there's that piece right there. Hold them closed. I'll be putting this in my collection of tweezers. Okay. Trash away. So, and they have tape on it right here. Okay. All right, so the canvas does have the DMC on it. There are 27 colors. Wow. Oh, I'm not liking that. Can you see it? Dark letters on dark colors. That's going to be tough. I'm glad I have a light box. That's about all I can say about that. I'm glad I have a light box. It is on the foam roller thingy. It's a foam roller. Yep, it is. Oh, this is the chicken. Okay, this is by, yeah, There's the name, the company from Amazon. This is the name of the canvas. Colorful Cock. It is a 40 by 50. It is big and it is full square. Full square. And there are dark black letters on dark colors. And I guarantee you is all this is probably this one right here. So I'm not going to take these out. I probably count them right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So yeah, counted the baggies in there. We're good. I'm going to roll this back up on the foam cord that it came on. Nice little foam roller. So that it will stay together, we're going to roll it back onto its piece of bubble wrap that they sent it in. Yeah. Oh, the reason I got the chicken is because my aunt that passed away in August, she loved chickens. She loved chickens and sunflowers. So when I saw this one, I thought about her because the rooster is like signed with flowers and everything, and it's very colorful. Oh goodness! And so yeah, I just wanted to unbox those and show you what I got. So I am going to do, because Miss Coffee has challenged people to do a 1 hour whip and chat. And I will probably be doing that this evening. We will see you later tonight. Thanks for coming and checking out my unboxing. Later, guys. Bye, y'all.